Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add friends on Spotify. So go for your Spotify app, then go for in this gear option, click on your view profile, go for in the three dot option, click on find friends and you can connect with your Facebook and you can connect also with your Facebook friends. So another way you can add friends, go for search. You can search for your friends here. You can search from your friends, go for profile, and you can add your friends from here. So guys, this is how you can add friends on Spotify. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.